Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Fee, and today I'm back with a treat from my Sunday dessert. So it's officially summer where I am. I don't know about you, but where I am, it's so hot. So the first treat I'm going to make for this summer, it's a popsicle. So the popsicle I'm going to make today is called a peach and orange popsicle. So what you want to do is to first remove your seed from your peach and just slice up your peach small enough to blend. After you're finished slicing your peaches, what you want to do is go ahead and add them to your blender, and also add some orange juice. If you don't have fresh oranges at home that you can squeeze, just use the orange juice from the bottle. It tastes just as good. I'm using honey as my sweetener, but if you have white sugar at home, go ahead and use it. It worked just fine. After, you want to make sure that you blend out your peach and your orange juice. Now just go ahead and pour your juice into your popsicle mold. You want to go ahead and pop your mold into your freezer for at least 4 hours or overnight. This is the end product of my orange peach popsicle. Make sure to stay hydrated because it's summer, and share this recipe with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.